Okay, Lynn, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, now here, Lynn. Where is the skirt? Can you see the skirt in the picture? Put the skirt under the flowers. Put the skirt under the flowers. Okay, next. Which is the frog? Put the frog on the table. The frog on the table. Okay, next. Let's see if you were able to do it correctly, Lynn. All right. Very good with the skirt and correct with the frog. Okay, next, Lynn. All right. So here, Lynn, how many parrots are there in the picture?
There are two parrots.
Okay, and what color are they?
It's green.
Okay, it's green. Now here, what's the woman doing in the picture?
The woman is not the tree.
Okay, and what is the man wearing, Lynn?
The man is wearing a
The man
blue,
is wearing a blue,
blue t-shirt
blue
and
t-shirt and
blue jacket.
okay, there you go. Now here, Lynn, what is this in the first picture? Okay, Lynn, what's the first picture?
It's a car.
Okay, have you got the phone, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, what's the use of the phone? What's the use of the phone, Lynn? Lynn, what's the use of the phone? The phone is used to?
The car is two.
Come on, Lynn, can you tell me what's the use of the phone? The phone is used to?
The car is two.
Come on, Lynn. What's the use of the phone, Lynn? The phone is used to, is it used for eating?
Yes.
It's used for,
Three, four,
used to what? What's the use of the phone? Why do we need to have a phone? Or why does our parents need a phone?
I don't know.
Oh, phone is used to call, right? How do you call your mom when your mom is at work or if your dad is at work? You need to use phone to call. Okay, next, Lynn. How about the second picture? What's the second picture? What can you see in the second picture, Lynn?
Mm,
It's a, what animal
uh-huh.
is that? It's a horse. Do you like a horse? You like a horse, Lynn?
No.
No, why?
Because the house.
Oh, that's why. Okay. Next, Lynn. How about the third picture? What's the third picture?
It's a pencil.
It's a pencil. Okay. Can you draw, Lynn? Are you good at drawing?
Yes.
Yeah, you know here. All right, Lynn. Say, you can see this is the last part of the picking activity. So here we're gonna have the third, wait, another lesson because we still have few minutes left, okay? So Lynn, can you see my screen? Unit 34, what is all about? What is it all about, Lynn?
Let's go to the park.
Okay, let's go to the park. So before we start, let's read first what are the vocabulary words.
Jump. Run.
Okay, we have jump, run, kick. Next, Lynn, how about these three more words? What are these words? We have,
Kick. Fly. Grab.
do you know these words? You understand this?
Kick.
Pick, fly, and
Fly.
wave.
Grab.
Okay, so look at here, Lynn. I want you to complete the sentence using the present continuous. For example, blank, they coming over for dinner. The correct answer here is, are they coming over for dinner?
Yes.
There you go. This is it. Right? Is, are, or am. Okay, Lynn, you add is, are, or am, and then you add ing to the word. Okay, stay will turn into staying, eat, eating, work, working. Okay, go.
This one is. This one is.
Okay, Lynn, done?
Yes.
Check. Okay, number 1. All right, wait, number 2. Maxwell is not sleeping on our sofa. The answer is correct. 3. My mother-in-law is staying at our house this week. Next, I am. Really look at here. I told you there is am, and are that should be put before the given verbs. I am eating my dinner right now. Febby is working. Why is he? Not why he is, but it's why is he playing football tomorrow? And they are not opening. All right, there you go, Lynn. So some answers here are correct, but others are not. So please be careful, Lynn. But then, Lynn, since it's already time, we will end our activity at that part. And then on Wednesday, Lynn, I will give it to you again. So I want to check if you have learned something, okay? Okay, so goodbye for now, Lynn. See you next time. Bye-bye.
My practice.